In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shifa Ali from class 8. Today the topic of my presentation is kidney and excretion. Our chapter is divided into 4 topics. We will talk about water in the body. Water is vital for you. You can live for some weeks without food, but only for a few days without water. It is not surprising that water is so important. About 70% of your body is water, and more than half of it is in your body cells. The cells need water to work properly. Your body is continually losing water and replacing the water that is lost. If your body is to keep working properly, the amount of water inside it must stay roughly the same, and so the amount of water taken into the body must equal the amount it loses. Your kidneys have the delicate task of keeping the balance between the amount of water coming in and the amount of water going out exactly right. Your kidneys that filter out unwanted substances and pass them out in your urine. This is the diagram of kidney. In your body, you have two kidneys. They are situated just under your ribs in your back. Each kidney is about 11.5 cm long, 6 cm wide, and 3.5 cm thick. It weighs about 140 grams. The kidney is surrounded by a fatty case or capsule. The outer part of the kidney is called the cortex. This part contains tiny knots of thin blood capillaries. Each knot is called glomerulus. The inner part of the kidney is called the medulla. It contains over a million tiny tubules called nephrons. All your blood passes through your kidneys every 5 minutes. During the course of a day, the kidneys remove over 200 liters of liquid. Over 99% of this is returned to the blood, and only about 1.5 liters passes out as urine, carrying all the waste substances with it. How the kidneys work. Each kidney receives blood through a renal artery. Inside each kidney, this artery divides into capillaries which carry blood to over a million tiny structures called Bowman's capsule. Inside a Bowman's capsule, the capillary divides again, forming a ball of intertwined capillaries, the glomerulus. The blood pressure inside each glomerulus is so high that liquid is forced out through its wall into the Bowman's capsule. This liquid contains urea but also many useful substances such as glucose, amino acid, vitamins, and mineral salts. This is the diagram of excretory system in humans. The excretion of urea. What is excretion? Excretion is the process of removal of toxic waste from the body of an organism. The major waste products produced by us are carbon dioxide and urea. Carbon dioxide is not the only harmful waste product made inside the body. Another is urea, which is produced in the liver. As you know, the amino acid in proteins are needed for body building, but you do not need all the amino acids that you digest and absorb. Excess proteins cannot be stored by the body because they contain substances that would poison you. They are broken down in the liver, and the waste products are carried by the blood to the kidneys. The main broken down product of proteins is urea, and this is excreted in the urine. If you have eaten a lot of protein, the amount of urea in your urine increases. Without the excretion of this urea and unwanted mineral salts, your body would be poisoned. Kidney failure. Your kidney contain more kidney tubules than you need. If some of these kidney tubules go wrong, there are spare ones to take over the work. This means you can live with one kidney, but if both kidneys fail, you will die. Today, people suffering from kidney failure may be attached to a kidney machine for short periods. A patient suffering from kidney failure is usually attached to a machine at least twice a week. By doing this, the amount of waste in the blood is kept under control. The patient must be careful about what food he or she eats, however, and his or her diet must not contain too much protein. Kidney machines are in short supply, they are also expensive and they need costly membranes and liquid. This is the diagram of a normal kidney and diseased kidney. This was my presentation. I hope that you like it. Thank you.